The contract cleaning market in the UK is worth in excess of £4.6 billion and has grown 17% in the last 10 years. The UK has 26 million households and many hundreds of thousands of hotels, restaurants, offices and other places that need cleaning. This all adds up to be a great time to become a dry carpet and upholstery cleaner. Join a real recession-proof industry. Zero Dry Time offers you the opportunity to start your own business and have a unique system that will leave customers amazed and your competitors wondering how you did it. Imagine leaving your customers with dry, clean, fresh carpets and upholstery. No more telling them to leave the windows open or the heating full on. Zero Dry Time is the only national dry carpet and upholstery cleaners. Our unique machines, products and systems will allow you to build a sustainable business for the future. Zero Dry Time gives you the ability to clean residential and commercial environments efficiently and effectively. You will have trained in how to win business from every opportunity. You will be able to clean carpets, upholstery, leather, hard and wooden floors. There is no job you cannot tackle at a price that makes you money and keeps you competitive. Your extensive training will include classroom as well as cleaning residential and commercial premises. You will learn every machine, on how it works and how to maintain it. We offer full backup support via telephone and access to the Zero Dry Time training portal, which has an array of tutorial videos and learning material. You can interact with your fellow franchisees via the forum. Be part of the ever-growing Zero Dry Time team.